Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to continue our first question. What is that? Here is, so two tangents PA and PB are inclined with the angle of 80 degrees. So at the center, inclined at the center, so O. So what is the O here? Center of the circle, and two tangents PA and PB we are drawn. So they are having inclined angle 80 degrees between both of them. Then what we have to find it here is angle POA. So what is the angle POA? So we have to find here the angle. So as we know tangents here, then we have to find it angle POA. Here two methods are there. So what are the two methods? So first method, by using of quadrilateral angle sum property. So in that first method, let's going to take angle sum property. So PAOB is a quadrilateral. So in that quadrilateral, sum of all the angles will be equal to 360 degrees. So that is angle P plus angle A plus angle O plus angle B will be equal to 360 degrees. So actually we need to divide this angle. So if you draw, what you can draw here is, so tangent, one statement is there. So tangent, so from the point, tangent point to the center, if you draw that one line, so center and the joining of two tangents will be located on the same line. So that line will be going to bisect the angle at the center. That means it will going to divide the as two angles. The two angles are equal. So that is the case here. So angle P here is, let's going to write angle P is 80 degrees. Angle A is 90 degrees right angle. Angle O, we don't know. Angle O is nothing but here. So angle O will be equal to, this is x and x. Both are x. So 2x, we will get it as 2x angle O in a quadrilateral. Both we need to add x plus x at the angle. Then angle B will be equal to 90 degrees, will be equal to 360 degrees. But here angle POA will be equal to x degrees. So this is the case. Only one x we will get it. So in the triangle OPA. So that is the case. Don't get confused. So 80 plus 90, 90, 90, 180. Plus 80 plus 2x will be equal to 360. So 80, 80, 260 plus 2x will be equal to 360. Then 2x will be equal to 360 minus 260. We will get it as 100. Then x will be equal to 100 by 2. 2 ones are 250s are. So x will be equal to 50 degrees. So what is the angle? 50 degrees. So therefore angle POA will be equal to 50 degrees. So this is the first method. This is first method. So actual method. What is the actual method? Second method. Let's going to find it. What is the solution in second method? So actually you are divided. Let's going to consider triangle PAO in right angle triangle. So what is the case here? The angle. So this angle, this triangle we are considered now. Now what is the angle P plus angle A plus angle O will be equal to 180 degrees. So this line is divided, this angle, into 80 degree into 40 degree and 40 degree. Why? Because so angle bisecting. So here in this triangle 40 degree we will get, and upper triangle will get 40 degrees. So angle P is nothing but 40 degrees. Angle A is nothing but 90 degrees. Angle O is nothing but x degrees. 180 degrees. So what is this? 40 plus 90, 130 plus x degree will be equal to 180. Then x degree equal to 180 minus 130. We will get 50 degrees. So x will be equal to angle POA will be equal to 50 degrees. So this is another method. This is the way to find the calculation. Similarly, we will get what you can take it here. Angle POB is also 50 degrees. Angle POB is also 50 degrees. Similarly, the same case. So if you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.